A rusted steel container sat alone under an empty sky. Faded paint, dented walls, years of damage. At first glance, it looked completely forgotten, like something abandoned long ago. But only weeks later, that same cold metal box would become a fully functional luxury tiny home, a warm living space built entirely by hand. Every wall transformed, every surface rebuilt, every inch redesigned with precision, patience, and relentless effort. And what started as an old shipping container slowly became a place someone could truly call home. Soft wind moves through the empty construction site. Metal creaks quietly under the sunlight. Dust drifts across the ground as the camera slowly pushes toward the container. And this is where the transformation begins. Welcome to tech industry. The first step wasn't glamorous. There were no luxury finishes yet. No lights, no furniture, no comfort. Just raw steel, rough surfaces, and a vision that still existed only inside someone's imagination. The old exterior walls of the container were slowly covered in fresh white paint. Each stroke erased years of wear and corrosion. The dark industrial surface gradually disappeared beneath a clean new layer. The sound of rollers scraping against metal echoed through the quiet space. Paint dripped slowly down the container walls while sunlight reflected across the fresh surface. Little by little, the structure began to feel alive again, and at that moment the transformation no longer felt impossible, but the hardest work was still ahead. Inside the container, the ceiling remained rough and unfinished. Bare metal stretched from one side to the other, every imperfection visible, every seam exposed. Then the spray machine powered on. A fine cloud of white paint filled the air as the ceiling was coated evenly from corner to corner. The glossy finish slowly spread across the steel surface, changing the entire atmosphere inside the container. Once dark interior suddenly felt brighter, cleaner, larger. Even before the walls were complete, the tiny home was beginning to take shape. The next challenge was precision. The doorframe had to fit perfectly inside the narrow steel opening. One small mistake could throw off the entire alignment. Carefully, the frame was lifted into place. Measurements were checked repeatedly. Screws drilled deep into the metal structure while the sound of machinery echoed through the container. stable, permanent. Now the space finally had an entrance that felt real. Then attention shifted to the flooring. Wooden boards were brought inside one by one, each piece carefully aligned across the surface. Tiny adjustments were made constantly to ensure every board fit tightly beside the next. Footsteps echoed softly against the unfinished wood while dust floated through beams of afternoon sunlight. Slowly, the cold industrial floor disappeared beneath warm wooden textures, and suddenly, the container no longer felt like cargo. It started feeling like a home. But what happened next completely transformed the interior. Large wall panels were lifted carefully against the frame structure. The boards looked oversized inside the narrow space, almost impossible to maneuver. Workers steadied the panels by hand while drills drove screws deep into the framework. The walls slowly closed in around the container. Every screw mattered. Every edge had to line up perfectly. Because behind those walls, the hidden systems of the house had to survive for years. Water pipes were then installed inside the wall framing. Blue and white lines stretched carefully through the narrow cavities. Connections were aligned with precision before being secured tightly into place. Metal fittings clicked together. Hands tightened joints carefully to prevent even the smallest future leak. Every connection had to be trusted completely before the walls disappeared forever behind finishing materials. One mistake here could destroy the entire interior later, and that pressure could be felt in every movement. Putty was spread carefully around the wiring lines. Every crack, every gap, every visible mark was slowly covered. The rough construction scars began disappearing beneath smooth finishing layers. Cement was pressed deep into the seams between boards. The joints slowly vanished until the walls looked continuous and seamless. Soft scraping sounds filled the container as tools moved steadily across the surfaces. Dust floated through the air while the room transformed from raw construction into a livable interior. The progress was slow, but cinematic, every layer bringing the vision closer to reality. Then something unexpected changed the pace of the build. The bathroom system needed to be installed, and inside such a compact structure, every inch mattered. A precise hole was drilled directly into the floor for the drainage line. The loud vibration echoed through the entire container. Wall boards were cut carefully to size and fitted tightly around the toilet area. Corners were aligned with precision so the compact space still looked clean and modern despite its limited dimensions. Adhesive spread smoothly across the floor while a trowel leveled the surface beneath. Then flooring sheets were pressed carefully into place. The entire bathroom slowly transformed from an unfinished shell into a polished living space. The toilet unit itself was then positioned carefully above the drainage connection. Tiny adjustments were made until everything aligned perfectly. Stable, balanced, functional. At that moment, the build started feeling truly real. Next came the details that would completely elevate the design. Plastic trim pieces were cut precisely around the windows, each corner aligned carefully to create sharp, clean edges. The small details changed everything, because luxury isn't only created through expensive materials, it's created through precision. Then an old drum was brought into the project. At first glance, it looked completely ordinary, industrial, rough. But this simple object was about to become one of the most creative parts of the tiny home. Metal edges glowed briefly beneath a cutting wheel while fragments scattered across the floor. Then the sink was lowered carefully into position and sealed tightly around the edges to prevent leaks. The transformation was incredible. White paint covered the drum first, erasing the old industrial appearance. Then deep black paint was sprayed across the exterior surface, creating a bold modern contrast. The faucet was installed next. Connections tightened carefully with tools until everything locked firmly into place. And suddenly, an old metal barrel had become a stylish designer sink. One creative idea completely transformed an ordinary object into something beautiful. But the interior still needed warmth. Decorative wooden panels were installed carefully along the walls. Natural textures softened the industrial atmosphere of the steel container. Lighting fixtures followed soon after. Soft, warm lights were mounted above the walls and across the ceiling. Wiring connections were secured carefully behind the surfaces while the room slowly filled with warmth. Interior cinematic walkthrough. The difference was emotional. Moments earlier, the space felt cold and unfinished. Now it felt welcoming, comfortable, human. And that emotional transformation mattered just as much as the physical construction itself. Paint was brushed carefully around the windows while protective tape kept the edges perfectly sharp. Wall sockets were installed. Trim lines connected the ceiling and walls seamlessly. Every small detail pushed the project closer to completion. But the tiny home still needed functionality. A movable wooden structure was assembled carefully with wheels attached beneath the frame. The compact design allowed furniture to shift and adapt within the limited space. Then a wooden shelf was drilled and fitted with a built-in power socket. Even the smallest spaces inside the container were designed with purpose. And then came one of the smartest features of the entire build, a foldable bed system. Wooden boards were lifted carefully into place and secured into a collapsible structure that could save enormous space during the day. Detailed furniture installation montage. The mattress was spread carefully across the frame. Soft fabric contrasted beautifully against the warm wood and steel surroundings. In just seconds, the container transformed from a workspace into a bedroom. That single feature completely changed how the tiny home could function. Meanwhile, inside the bathroom, a metal storage shelf was mounted firmly against the wall. Screws tightened securely into place while levels ensured perfect alignment. Everything inside this build served a purpose. Nothing wasted, nothing random. Outside the container, another major system was beginning to take shape. A large drum was connected with water inlet pipes to create a reliable storage system. Fittings were tightened carefully while pipes extended across the property. Nearby, plants were placed carefully into prepared soil. Ground sheets covered the earth while irrigation pipes were installed to deliver water directly to the roots. Atmospheric environmental sequence. Wind moved softly through the surrounding landscape. Birds echoed faintly in the distance. The tiny home was no longer just a structure, it was becoming part of an entire lifestyle. Then underground utility systems were installed and protected carefully beneath covers and concrete blocks. Every hidden component mattered for long-term durability. Because a home like this doesn't survive through appearance alone, it survives through intelligent engineering hidden beneath the surface. But the most visually dramatic phase was still waiting. The sliding wooden door system was installed above the entrance. The track aligned perfectly while the heavy wooden panel rolled smoothly into place. The movement felt satisfying, clean, modern. And suddenly the tiny home gained personality. Then construction expanded outward. An outdoor veranda began taking shape beside the container. Wooden decking boards stretched across a sturdy frame while screws locked everything tightly together. Time-lapse veranda construction. Hammer strikes echoed through the open air. Power drills buzzed continuously. Fresh-cut wood released its scent into the atmosphere. Wooden posts were raised vertically, one after another. Then strong beams connected everything together overhead. Slowly, an outdoor living space emerged beside the container. And then came the final touch that completely changed the mood of the exterior. A bamboo shade roof was lifted carefully above the structure and secured across the frame. Sunset cinematic reveal. Golden evening light filtered through the bamboo textures. Soft shadows moved gently across the deck floor. Wind passed quietly through the outdoor structure. For the first time, the project truly felt peaceful. Electrical systems were connected carefully inside the control panel while outdoor lights were mounted and tested. Then night finally arrived. The lights turned on. Slow cinematic pause. Warm light spilled softly across the wooden deck. The container glowed gently beneath the dark sky. Reflections shimmered across the white exterior walls.